Happy Sunday. Today is November 30th, the very last day of November of 2025. And yeah, let's see. Well, first of all, hope everybody had a very good Black Friday. You bought a lot of stuff and you got a lot of deals and discounts. So, congratulations. If you didn't, I think there's still time. That's called Cyber Monday. That would probably end tomorrow. So, yeah, for all you slackers, yeah, get your deals today, tomorrow, whenever you still have a chance. Yeah, I'm not speaking on behalf of the merchants. So yeah, just do what you got to do, right? Don't overspend, don't overdo it. Even though the U.S. consumer index is holding up pretty good, I guess. Anyhow, so for tomorrow, the 1st of December, we'll have this bet reading out, which is CRDL or Cardiol RX versus Protogenic RX, PTIX, to see who does better off of their performance from this weekend, to see who opens better tomorrow. Yeah, so this question will resolve tomorrow. We'll see. And with that, we have this market being ready to go right here. CRDL versus PTIX. We'll see how much of a gain we get tomorrow by the end of tomorrow, I believe. So looking forward to tomorrow, Monday, December 1st. Let's go to BPIQ, by far the most reliable and free biotech catalyst website. So if you take a look here, so we're already gone past November 30th. So what we have here, upcoming from December 1st to 4th, is the clinical trials on Alzheimer's disease, CTAD. This is going to be held, I just looked at it. Well, it says right here, actually. It's going to be held from December 1st to 4th in San Diego, California, a warm San Diego, California, compared to the wintry weather that we have in the rest of the country. So good for you guys in California and for those that are attending this meeting. And who should we be looking into? So I looked at this, and there's a few that's relevant for tomorrow, mostly toward the end of the day tomorrow. We'll take a look. So I clicked on this one. So Gen X. I also did this one, LGVN. We'll take a look. And this one right here, December 1st to 2nd, INMB, as well as, oh, that's it. Those are the three. You got to keep that in mind. 1, 2, and 3, right? Gen X, LGVN, and INMB. That's on here. So let's start with Gen X. So JNX is Gen X Pharmaceuticals. They are MCRPC. So that is for prostate cancer, and that is not a Alzheimer's study. So what they will do is they will host a virtual event on Monday, December 1st at 4:30 Eastern. So yeah, we'll see what kind of data they release off of their tumor activated T cell engager for this study. And the drug is Genx 007, 007. And yeah, we'll see. So this one's reading out at 4:30 p.m. So then for those of you that have a lot of faith in this company, you probably know this more than I do, then you got to make sure that you get your trade in before market close tomorrow, so that you make a gamble on this, and yeah, then you can reap the rewards of your knowledge on this bet, right? Okay, next one. This one is CTAD, the Alzheimer's Disease Conference. So the drug is XPro 1595, a selective soluble TNF neutralizer in early Alzheimer's disease with inflammation, from phase 2 Mindful trial. So they will go from, I don't know why they have a range. Isn't this a presentation? So I hope this person is not presenting. So it says it goes from Monday, December 1st until Tuesday, December 2nd, from 3:30 p.m. December 1st to 5:30 p.m. December 2nd. So this person will be presenting for 26 straight hours. They're live streaming for their lives, right? No, I'm just kidding. So this is probably a poster because it says location P057, so probably a poster. Um, yeah. So this company is called Innate Immunity. No, in Immune Bio, Innate Immunity. So yeah, so they will release their first poster on December 2nd, and then on Thursday, I guess this is a second poster. Yeah, this is a second poster on December 4th. Okay, so uh, yeah, so this is Pacific time, I believe, 3:30 p.m. Therefore, yeah, it is PT. So yeah, you still got a chance, and if you want to bet on Immune Bio, then you got to put your bet in for INMB before that time, whether it's a long or a short, right? The third one is Longeveron. Cool, that's a cool name. The drug is Laromestrocel. That is also cool. Such a cool name for a drug. The the name of the study is cool as well. It's a Clear Mind study. A poster presentation. Yeah, huh? And the poster will also be from Monday 3 p.m. to December 5:30 p.m. The presenter is also going to be presenting for 26 straight hours. Good for you. Okay. That's good. So then everything will be presented after market close tomorrow Eastern time. So act accordingly, folks. And the next one that I have identified, so this one is Biopharma Watch, and they don't have anything good coming up for December. They haven't even updated their website, so no thanks. A Biofarm Catalyst. This one, I did see one. Oh, okay, so Gen X is right here. We've already seen it. This one, ANVS. This is something different that was not captured by the FDA calendar of BPIQ. So I looked this one up right here. It's Annovis. Yeah, Annovis Bio. And they also are going to be presenting as CTAD, and their presentation is also December 1st, 3 p.m. They have two presentations actually, both posters, and they're both releasing that poster at 3 p.m. Okay, so I'm going to put it right here so we keep track of them. So we basically have three very interesting posters at what is it? At CTAD, and yeah, let's just make an interesting bet on that. How do we do this? So let's create a question. So the question should be, actually, we still have time to do this tomorrow, but let's just get it done today and create this question. So the question should be, it's actually a multiple choice question. Which, because we have four candidates, right? No, three candidates. Which biotech company will see the most percentage gain on their stock after the first day, after the data release on after their data release on December 1st. So we got to define the time here. The most percentage gain on their stock, that would be, so from market close on their stock. on their stock. So this time frame has to be on December 2nd, right? By market close on December 2nd after their data release on December 1st. Is that clear? I hope that's clear. After their data release on December 1st. Okay, so let's give the three. This one's also interesting, but Gen X. Okay, well, okay, let's focus on the CTAD, the Alzheimer's ones. Uh, Immune Bio, so this is one. Gotta copy that one to manifolds. INMB. The other one is Longeveron. Copy. Longeveron. This one's also NASDAQ. Yeah. Add answer. The third option is this one right here. And Novus, this one's New York Stock Exchange. Right here. All right. So those are our three multiple choices. Or three choices for the multiple choice. Can no one, exactly. Description, let's generate it with AI. Question closes in a day. No, December 2nd, right? We said December 2nd. It closes on December 2nd. Closing price minus opening price. Yeah, I guess AI is smart enough to figure this one out. 100? Shall we bet on 100 mana points on this one? Yes, we shall. Okay. Create a question. Let's do that. And then for virtual stock exchange, let's do this. Let's create another market. Yeah, let's create a market with Gen X in it. So we can have this one also in participation as well. Let's see. How do we do this? Let's create a game. This one, we can call it JNAX versus CTAD because there's three CTAD. So versus the CTAD conference times 3. End date December 2nd. Second. Start date 1st and date 2nd. The next page. Let's lower the limit. I don't actually know how much each one of these would cost, but let's see. I hope they're not penny stocks. Otherwise, it would be not possible to include them in our portfolio, which would kind of suck. Let's join this game. So the first company is JNAX, right? JNAX. Gen X Pharma. This one's definitely not a, huh? not a penny stock. And after hours, it's already gone up. Cool. So that's good news. So let's shall we long this one and then short the other three? Or shall we do 25, 25, 25? Um, huh. 5 day. There's a gain of what? 19.24%. Okay, let's long this one then. Trade now. So let's go. Let's see. We want to be right around 100. Yeah, that's probably close enough. Yeah, it's fine. And then let's see. Long Gen X. Can we also long the other three as well? Maybe. Okay. I hope Market Watch actually set a feature where you can just get your target total without dragging this cursor left and right like this. Kind of annoying. Yeah, whatever. Good enough. Next one. Let's just long everything because I don't know enough about these companies to short any one of them. Kind of feels it's unfair to short them anyway. So let's see. Because they're working on a very tough disease area in Alzheimer's. Um, if anything, these types of endeavors should be encouraged and applauded. Because as you all know, or you may not know, Alzheimer's is a notoriously difficult disease to tackle from a drug development perspective. So, okay, let's do, how much we want to do this? How about 30K? We just do 30K, 30K, 30K? Roughly? All right? Right there? Is that about 30? 30K? Yeah, 33. There you go. Submit order. Next one. Longeveron, LGVN. Let's get it into our portfolio on the virtual stock exchange. Yeah. Let's make it happen. Right here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This one's a penny stock. So trade. Let's see. Can we do this? Can we please do this? Let's see what it says. Okay. All right. So we cannot do Longeveron. So sorry, Longeveron. Your stock price is too low to even participate in this game. So we'll just do AMBS. Okay. Then in that case, we should have done 3, 3, and 3. This one's so yeah. Novus is over $1 on its trading price, so we will just do 3, 6. How about just do 50K? Yeah, 46. Yeah, that's about 50. Submit. Let's just also get the other one up too. To fill up the entire 200,000 portfolio. It's INMB, right? Pending orders. Pending. Let's cancel this one. INMB. Yes, cancel order. Modify it. INMB. Come on, you can do this. Trade. So all the remaining 50,000 will go into INMB, no? A whopping 29,000 shares. Okay, good. So let's see. Let's see how much of a gain or loss shall we encounter tomorrow this time. Let's see. This one, the 3 pending orders. That's correct. Yep. All right. So that is today's live stream. There's a heck of a lot more to go over tomorrow because there's continuous, I guess, outpour of data from the CTAD on Alzheimer's disease research and clinical study readout. So we'll see tomorrow. Have a very nice Sunday evening, everybody. I am signing off on this live stream. Adios.